Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can run test case recorded by the Katalon Studio on the Perfecto. So first thing what you need to do, you have to open this web recorder and then you have to record a test within the Katalon platform. By clicking on this record, it will launch application for you. After that you have to perform the action which you want to record, and once everything is done, then you have to save this test case within the Katalon project. So I already have that. So this is something which I just recorded via the Katalon Studio. So if your requirement is something like you want to run this test case on a Perfecto, so what you need to do? So first thing is like you have to install the Perfecto plugin. So once the Perfecto plugin is installed in your on your account, then you can see few keywords are available. So I'm going to open one of my test case which is actually changed uh, here. I will go into the script. So there are two keyword which is available for the Perfecto plugin. So once you install this plugin, then you can see this open browser keyword will come for you, and then we have this start tab start. This is for the reporting. So this keyword is actually automatically handling the open browser and navigate to URL keywords together in a single steps open browser, and after that this is enabling the reporting for you. So for this keyword you have to remove, you have to disable this close browser. So this keyword is automatically handling open browser and closing browser together. So if you have recorded a Katalon test case, then you have to disable this webui.close browser, then it will run successfully. This is the customization which is required into your test case. Apart from that, you have to download a reporting plugin from the Perfecto website, and you have to add that here inside this library management. So this reportium Java plugin is responsible for reporting into the Perfecto. So these are two things required, like you have to install the Perfecto plugin, and then you have to download and attach this reportium Java library into the library management. And lastly, you have to change this open browser navigate to URL keyword to this one, and just make sure this webui.close browser should be disabled for you, or it should not be there. You can remove this one from here also. Now it's up to you, you can directly go and trigger. Okay, one thing is like you have to add the capability. So Perfecto plugin is helping you to add the capability directly inside this desired capability and custom section. So here this is something you have to do. Okay, so you can write this manually also, or you can use the Perfecto plugin to build this configuration for you. What you need to do, you have to make sure like you should have this cloud URL and the same value which you are passing to this remote server URL. This is something required. Okay, if you are not adding this cloud URL here, then your test will fail. Then just click on OK, and apply and close. Finally, you can run the test case from here, or in my case what I did, I created a test shoot. This is my test shoot, Katalon test shoot from Perfecto. Okay, and here I'm adding the same test case. You can run it from here by selecting custom capability as a Perfecto web. So once you will run this, I'm running it. After that, you can see one report is getting generated into your Perfecto account. Let me log in into my Perfecto account. And this is the official documentation which you can refer. Okay, this is help.perfecto, perfecto help, and this one. So this is something you have to build actually. Okay, now let me log in into my account. And the password is alright. In the meantime, you can see it's running, your test is happening on the Perfecto, and it's doing all the action which you have recorded. And now you can go back to the Perfecto and verify your execution. Okay, so it's running here. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so here you can say there are two test case passed. You can go into and you can verify this is the first one. You can see some more details around it, like your browser version was 122, which is the latest. Operating system was Windows 10, and this is the date, like you run it December 11 and this is your date here. Now if you want to see some more detail around it, just click on that, and here you can see these are all the steps which is actually running. You can see it here, and if you want to run the video, you want to see the execution video here, just click on that, and finally Perfecto uh, will run all the, will show you the video recording for your steps, like it's entering the username, and now it's enter the password, clicked on login, and then it will fill the make appointment form, and after that it will click on book appointment, and after that it will verify. Okay, it's done, and after that it will verify, and finally this is done. So this is something which is happening on the Perfecto. You have recorded your test case from the Katalon Studio, you made some changes, and then it's running perfectly fine. So what all the changes you have to do, you have to first install the Perfecto plugin. After that you have to download the Reportium Java library and attach into this project and settings, into this library management. After that you have to build the desired capability, this one, and make sure you have this cloud URL added. This cloud URL would be the same, this one, and after that you need to make few change into your test cases, like this is my test case. You have to replace these two keyword with this one, and you have to remove or disable this webui.close browser. This is the only change required. After that, save your test case and trigger it on the Perfecto, then it will work perfectly fine. Hope this would be very helpful for you. Thank you.